This video is about a timing belt kit for a 2001 Volkswagen Golf TDI that I bought from German OEM.ca in Canada. It looks like the box is original from Germany. Came with this belt that powers my alternator, air conditioning pump, serpentine belt. It's Continental make. It looks like it's engineered in Germany. 5-year warranty. Wow, that's pretty good. And Conitec, Continental, Germany. Comes with the timing belt, which I was really interested in getting, making sure I get the proper timing belt. The timing belt that lasts at least 160,000 kilometers. This timing belt's supposed to be good for. You know, some people recommend to change it at 120 to be 100% safe, but Volkswagen says it's good for 160,000 kilometers. And it's made in Germany. The kit also came with crankshaft and camshaft seals and water pump seal. Came with this little sticker so you can actually record the last time you did the timing belt at. Came with this pulley. I guess it's timing belt idler pulley. It's made in Slovakia. Pretty good quality. Came with a tensioner pulley for the timing belt, made in Romania. Came with the hardware. Looks like there's quite a bit of hardware. All the bolts and studs necessary. Came with the thermostat and the seals. Came with thermostat hose adapter. That's the one that usually gets damaged. These plastic things get broken off when you try to remove it. And comes with the water pump that is made in Germany. And it has a metal impeller, not a plastic impeller. So it should last a long time. You should never have that slippage on the actual shaft. So it looks like a very decent kit. It was $400, including taxes and delivery. And it should be good for 160,000 kilometers. Thanks for watching.